Have you ever found yourself scrambling to pay a bill at the last minute, or realizing you forgot to transfer money to savings? It's a frustrating feeling, and it happens to the best of us. In our busy lives, managing money manually can feel like another chore constantly demanding attention. We juggle work, family, and personal goals, and our finances often get pushed to the side. But what if your money could practically manage itself? Imagine a world where your savings grow, your investments contribute, and your bills are paid, all without you lifting a finger every single time. Today, we're diving into the powerful world of financial automation. You'll discover how to set up systems that effortlessly handle your money, transforming your financial future. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about smart, consistent action that frees up your time and builds wealth automatically. Let's make your money work harder so you don't have to. The core principle is simple. Design your financial system to operate on autopilot. This means setting up recurring actions that happen without your daily intervention. The first pillar of automation is your savings. This is the absolute most crucial step to securing your financial future, and it needs to be prioritized. Start by setting up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a dedicated savings account. Do this immediately after your paycheck hits, treating it as a non-negotiable expense. Whether it's for an emergency fund, a down payment, or a big purchase, consistent automatic savings build your buffer. You won't even miss the money once it's out of sight. Next, let's talk about investing. This is where your money starts working for you, creating true long-term wealth without constant manual effort. If you have a 401k or similar workplace retirement plan, you're likely already automating investments directly from your paycheck. Increase that percentage whenever you get a raise. For other investment accounts, like IRAs or taxable brokerage accounts, set up automatic recurring transfers. Even small, consistent contributions add up significantly over time. This strategy is known as dollar cost averaging. By investing a fixed amount regularly, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, averaging out your cost. It removes emotion from investing and reduces the risk of trying to time the market, which is nearly impossible for even seasoned professionals. Consistency is key here. Now, let's tackle arguably the most stressful part of finance for many: bill payments. Late fees are a pure waste of money, and missed payments can harm your credit score. Automate as many of your recurring bills as possible. Think utilities, rent or mortgage, loan payments, and credit cards. Most service providers offer an autopay option. Always ensure you have sufficient funds in your linked account to cover these payments to avoid overdraft fees. Set up alerts for low balances if your bank offers them. While automation is fantastic, it's not truly set it and forget it. It's more like set it and periodically review it. You still need to stay engaged. Make it a habit to check your bank and credit card statements once a month. Look for any unusual activity, errors, or unexpected charges that automation might miss. Life changes, and so should your automation. Get a raise? Increase your savings and investment contributions. Pay off a debt? Reroute that payment to another goal. Don't try to automate everything at once. Start with one or two key areas, like a small automatic savings transfer, and build from there. Small wins create momentum. The beauty of automation extends beyond just managing money. It improves your financial psychology. It removes the stress of decision-making and the temptation of impulse spending. When your money is automatically directed to your goals, you're less likely to divert it to less important things. This creates a powerful positive feedback loop. Think of it as setting up a silent financial assistant that works tirelessly in the background. It's always on, always prioritizing your wealth. By automating your finances, you're not just managing money. You're building a system for financial freedom. You're creating more time, reducing stress, and accelerating your wealth-building journey. So take action today. Log into your bank accounts, set up those automatic transfers, and put your money on autopilot. Your future self will thank you for it. Remember, consistency over intensity is the secret to long-term financial success. Automation makes that consistency effortless, making your money management simple and effective. You now have the tools to completely automate your personal finances, from saving and investing to bill payments. Start building your automated wealth machine today. If this video helped you envision a more effortless financial future, please consider subscribing to Wealth Lever. We're here to provide more practical, no-hype advice to help you build real wealth. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more strategies to put your money to work. Your financial journey starts now.